everyone, it's Becca with Creations with Becca, and this is part 2 of the Nature Call Itty Bitty mini album swap, and you can check it out at minialbumswaps.ning.com. So before my battery died, or actually before my videotape was full, I was about to show you Mary Beth Green's album. Oh, look at this. Gorgeous. Look at that paper. Yeah, if you guys can see that little bird. Looks like it's the tag that comes out. So pretty. And gorgeous paper. And these are all tags that come out. Oh, I think it goes this way. That's the back. And it looks like you get some little goodies to fill your little album up with if you get this album. Thank you, Mary. That's so pretty. Okay, so next up we have Cynthia Abdullah. I'm sorry if I mispronounce your name. Horrible, horrible with names. Okay, this is her Nature Calls album. Okay, look at that paper, so pretty. This looks like it opens. Very pretty. Like little tags inside here. Gorgeous album. Thank you, Cynthia. Alright, next we have Donna Washington. This is Donna's album. That pretty flower. Oh, I love that fence. That's so cute. Little tags that come out, a butterfly. Gorgeous, Donna. Very pretty. Little butterfly. Oh, I love that paper. Looks like this opens up, but I'm not going to open it because I don't want to ruin it and not know how to close it. Gorgeous. Very pretty. Thank you, Donna, for joining. The album's pretty. Okay, and the next one is Armelius. Armelius. Hopefully I said that right. I'm so sorry if I didn't. Okay. So this is Carmelius's album. Look at that cover. Very pretty. Pretty, pretty paper. And these all have tags that slide out. Very pretty. Looks like it opens. And that's a transparency. Very pretty. And then I think this is her information. Oh, look at this butterfly. How cool is that? Gorgeous album. Thank you. Well, I want to thank everyone so much for joining. You guys always do such an awesome job. You, I mean, inspire me all the time. And this month's album is Let Freedom Ring. It's kind of a 4th of July kind of theme. It's supposed to be vintage style, so I hope you all sign up, and I hope to see you there. Thanks. Bye.